Here I've got Lenovo Z5 and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Then you have to go to sound and now go to ringtone, which is here called ringtone. Now you can select one from the following options. So let me show you, for example, 5 of the ringtones that Lenovo offers. We can volume it up a bit. And for example, sunny day. And if you would like to stay with sunny days, smoothly go back. And that's it. You've just changed ringtone, so simply select the one that you would like to have, mark it, and that's it. Then you can go back to normal usage and you have your ringtone changed. So that would be all. This is how you can change ringtone in your Lenovo. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.